This video covers the connection of the branch head and tail using AVEVA E3D 2.1. This worked example follows on directly from the previous pipe creation worked example. With the branch head tab selected on the Pipe Editor Modify Pipe form, click the Pick Connection button. Select Heat Exchanger E1302A in the 3D view. This will have populated the list of connections for the selected equipment item. Select Nozzle N2 from the list and with the Create Head Components checkbox checked, click the Connect to Selected button. The head will be connected to the nozzle with the default flange and gasket. The tail position will be offset by 1000 mm. Select the Branch Tail tab and click the Pick Connection button again. This time, select the nozzle N1 to be connected to in the 3D view. Because the unconnected nozzle was selected directly, the connection is made automatically. In this case, the head and tail connections are in line, resulting in the route from the head to the tail being geometrically correct. When the route of the branch is geometrically correct, the implied tube will be created as shown. Perform a save work.